guys, welcome to another video of Skippy-xd. Skippy-xd is a Windows selector that performs quick Alt-Tab. Alt-Tab with live preview. Exposé. Paging of virtual desktop. Skippy-xd is window manager agnostic and works anywhere on X. Today I am using Fluxbox along with this Neo theme complete with the matrix dropdowns. Today I am going to show you the new Skippy-xd Exposé layout Cosmos and why it is so awesome. So in Exposé, windows exposed outwards do not overlap, and the user can select windows with keyboard and/or mouse. Now, how should the windows fly out? There is not a simple, correct answer. For example, like this. Two maximized windows, their window geometries are identical. Should one be on top of the other? Should they be side by side? Which one left and which one right? According to Skippy-xd philosophy, Exposé is about maximally preserving window positioning. Based on this principle, windows fly out, so they do not overlap. This is the expansion phase. Windows also need to contract, so empty space can be filled, and live preview can be as big as possible. Expansion. Expansion with contraction. Expansion, so windows do not overlap. Contraction to create final compact configuration. By the way, animation is important because it guides the eye between the original and final window positioning. And if window positioning is not preserved, then animation adds to the confusion. The new layout performs this expansion and contraction according to the inverse square law. Each window represents a map. The windows first mutually repel in the expansion phase, and then attract in the contraction phase. Yep, it's physics. The layout algorithm is called Cosmos. For example, when we have windows forming grids. Bad example. Cosmos. It is this simple. For example, this L configuration. The two windows repel one another. Then they attract and meet diagonally. On the vertical axis they are stuck, but they keep sliding horizontally until they form a T. The crux is expansion, contraction, collision. One more window for the letter pi. Window management and selection is literally fun. It works even when you have a ton of windows. See how despite the chaos windows still more or less maintain their relative positioning? If you want to summarize Windows Exposé in 2 words, It would be AABB collision. Window selection literally becomes a joy. Skippy-xd turns every of your little grar throughout the day into a little bit of a yay. Try it out on your distribution and GitHub, Felix form, Skippy-xd. And if you like the app, tell others about it, and tell them to tell others. Showcase screenshots and videos, and like, share, subscribe. Show your support and help on the YouTube algorithm. See other videos in the channel for advanced use options and information.